What is up, people?
It's
I'm
us
a
again.
creeper. I'm a creeper.
Yes, yes, you are.
I think that's pretty obvious. Can you show me? Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie.
Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie.
me how
Chickens
to
falling
Dougie.
from the chickens falling
Teach
from
me
the
how to
sky.
Dougie, bro.
No, I don't want to.
Teach me.
What if I don't want to teach
chicken.
you?
Hey, chicken. Since my friend Noah, and me, Carson, I don't know how to do the Dougie. Can you teach me how to Dougie? No, but I can fall from the sky. Okay. So today, my friend Noah and his Redstone Academy. Yes, he made redstone stuff.
Yeah, it's redstone stuff. All right, ready? Ready to see it? So.
That time.
Fly,
Fly like an eagle.
I believe I can fly, and I believe this lag is bad.
Yes, really bad. Alright,
so this contraption here, so there's a bunch of chickens in there, right? So you see those? So the hopper collects their eggs, and then once it goes into this dispenser, this comparator senses that they're in there, and pulls out a redstone pulse. Now that pulse is only 2 long, so you have to put a repeater here.
Oh, see, it just happened.
So there, it just happened, and it fired, and then the dispenser shot the egg, and it hits this glass here, and then if it spawns a chicken, it falls down there.
See, there's 2 down there.
Yep. So
I'm gonna pour
for a demonstration, I'm just gonna
pour a bunch of eggs in there.
A bunch of eggs.
And this is totally cool, like for everyone. I recommend doing this.
You can put these really high in the sky to prank people on servers.
Yeah. I really
It'll
like
just be
these.
like and if you put it high enough, people won't even know that it's there.
Yeah. You don't need to like put a tower.
Yeah, you don't need to put a tower. I just did that.
And go below them so they see the chicken.
I know. I'm just gonna throw all these eggs in there.
Okay, go.
Alright.
Go. Go, bro. It's down there. See, look at all those chickens.
Whoa.
Lag.
Jinx.
Oh, suck.
Lag.
Jinx. Sorry. No, alright, you know.
That wasn't Jinx. Or whatever.
Jinx, okay.
The chickens! This is very lag intensive, as you can see.
I'm floating down like a chicken.
I believe that these chickens can fly.
Teabag them. Teabag!
If I could, if there wasn't so much lag from me, from my teabag.
Whoa, it's like a farm. I remember those old days.
Alright, we're gonna go into F5.
Oh yeah. Oh, come here, little chicken. I wanna hurt you. Oh!
Sticky keys?
No.
No.
Ah, this is lag. So much lag, bruh.
No.
Oh god, this is such.
Well, you get.
Technical difficulties once more.
Oh, there we go.
No
There
more
we go.
teabag.
What is wrong with it? Why is it beeping?
I don't know. Let's play some music in the background.
Let's play some music. This
sure.
is just gonna come from my iPod, just because it's all we have at the moment.
No.
No. Wait, we don't. Wait. No. Actually, yeah, I have an idea. I have an idea.
Wow.
I just can't find it because I have so much music.
Okay,
So much.
let's go back to the laggy game, because we have to.
No, we don't want that. Oh, you know what? Actually, yeah.
Oh, it's uncapped.
Can't touch this.
Can't touch this, bro.
You can't.
Can't touch this.
You can't touch this, bro.
Dude, the thing that's down here.
Oh my. Enough of that song. I'm gonna have better songs.
Yeah, it is beeping like crap.
Oh, I must have hit like the sticky keys thing.
Sticky keys.
Hey, Knuckleheart, can we go thrift shopping?
This is what I was looking for, people. I love this song.
Don't we all? No, well, we all know it at least.
Well, my little brother doesn't know it.
How do you go from views?
And then.
Alright, this is really random. Let's go build a house.
Alright, let's end this. I'm gonna build a house, people.
No, I'm gonna build a house. Right now.
Well, you know what? Let's
Without
end the
such
recording.
lag.
Let's end the recording.
People, we leave you with Creeper. Oh god, I gotta stop doing that.
My favorite shoes, those are green. Probably should have washed this. Smells like R. Kelly's sheets.
Well shit, it was 99 cents! 99 cents!
Thanks for watching.